London, September 8, 2020, Tuesday. The 6-meter-long winged albatross will protect fishermen from pirates and illegal fishing at sea. The peculiarity of this bird is that it can fly up to 10,000 kilometers in a single flight. During a long lifespan of 8 to 20 years, it flies about 3 lakh km. With the flying power of the albatross, London's marine explorers want to catch pirates. The albatross is a special type of bird that can also protect ships if trained. Thus there is an armed force to protect the ship, but often the pirates do not even let the smell of attack come to the security, but now they will not be able to escape from the albatross. Seafood and especially fishing is a big business in the sea. When fishermen set their nets to catch fish, they catch fish as well as sea creatures and birds. This problem, known as bycatching in fisheries, kills thousands of birds each year. According to the international rule, bycatching burrow continues at the international border after the border of that country is crossed. Birds like the albatross have been its victims, but now its role is about to change. Data on albatrosses alone can prevent radar from catching suspicious fishing boats and bycatching marine life, as well as the ability of albatrosses to fly continuously and capture the movements of pirates due to their strong wings. There are 31 species of albatrosses found mainly in the southern hemisphere, of which 12 species are on the verge of extinction. The albatross is closely related to the seabird, the pretzels. This bird feeds on aquatic creatures such as squid, krill, crab etc. It keeps moving with the boat. In such circumstances, bycatching is done in the nets laid for the fish. Females are especially common in the fisheries area. During the breeding season it prefers to move to a dry area. Thousands of albatrosses gather in the rocky area. The male attracts the sick with his voice. The female albatross lays an egg weighing 500 grams. Males and females consume it for 20 days. This bird has a maximum lifespan of 30 to 40 years. The bird is a mixture of black, white, brown, red and yellow. This bird has 3 toes that are connected to each other. It differs from other birds by its long, strong and hooked beak. The beak has special holes for breathing. For more details kindly go to ift.tt/3bjfif. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science and technology updates. Thank you.